Hi, welcome to another video today. So let's get started with our quote of the day. It's going to be Lamentations chapter 3 verses 22 to 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassion never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Okay, so that's our quote of the day. And today we are going to look at checking the last arrow. And we're going to be checking the last arrow with the $sign question mark. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so in Powershell, the $sign and the question mark. So this, I'm going to just show you it here. If you look at the top, so that's like a built-in automatic variable that it indicates whether the last command executed successfully. So this is useful like for when you want to check on success or failures of a command, and it especially so in the error itself is checking. I think it's useful like when you want to check for errors as well quickly. So so when a command is successful, it will show up as true, and if it fails, it'll be false. So that's what this will become, like a true or false in the end of the command that you run. So let's start off with a basic example here. So we can maybe reuse some of this code here with the get item, and let's just type over some pieces we have here. Okay, so we're going to do our if condition, and we're going to use our $sign question mark. So this will tell us like what the output was. So we're going to do a write output. So this code block, if you're not sure when this is going to take this route, if it's true, so that means if the command was executed successfully. Say the command is successful, right? And then if I think you should already know about our else block. If you don't know, you could just review the video on conditions. So write output, and this means the command failed. Well, let's just make it a little more interesting, and I'll do write output so when it's successful, we're going to get the quote, and we're going to get the the command was successful. If it fails, and I would just say no quote. Command failed and no quote. Okay, so let's give this a try. So the assumption is that it'll run this command, check for the result. We should get back a value for this property, and if it's going to check to see if the command ran successfully, so this will be a true, so this will go down to this block, and then we should get our quote of the day as well as the command is successful. So let's check it out. Oops, I forgot to remove that question mark above, but as you can see, default it was true. So okay, let me just. So there you go. So we got the command is successful. Lamentations chapter 3 verse 22 to 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassion never fail. They are new every morning. Great in your faithfulness. So as you can see, it took this command because it was true. So, and I don't know if you saw, I made a mistake and left the variable up here, the question mark, and what it did was it actually showed you, it actually interpreted it to true. Okay, so just remember that this shouldn't be a substitute, because this is just gonna give you like a success or failure if the command ran. So I think it's always better So this will just kind of give you those kind of checks on the commands itself if they ran. So it's better to still use like a try catch or the error variable like we covered in the last two videos. So and just use this as just pretty much just to check to see if our command ran well, and that's pretty much it. So it'll just give you the output of the last command that you ran. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's end it with our quote of the day. It's going to be Lamentations chapter 3 verse 22 to 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassion never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. All right. Don't forget to read your Bible, and also don't forget, if you're not going to church, try to find a good Bible-based church, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.